Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Today we're going to be looking at one of my hobbies that I absolutely love to do.
There's no crying in baseball.
And today we're going to make a mallet. Something fun to make that I hope you enjoy watching. It's important to have hobbies as you get older because it helps to fill your time and to give you something to do. So welcome to my shop. This is the inside of my garage, as I like to call my shop. And this is the Shapeoko Pro XXL. So it's got 33 by 33 inches on the wood. So today we're going to make a mallet. It's going to kind of show you how this is made, how easy it can be, fun to do, and it's something that keeps me busy while I'm retired. So hope you enjoy this video, and leave comments below, please. Let me know if there's something specific you'd like to see made, and I appreciate that. All right. We got to load our file. You ready to load our file? So, important note when you're doing your hobbies is to double check the thickness of the wood that you buy. Make sure you double check. You know, they always say measure twice, cut once. Well, when I did this and I bought this, I bought 3/4 inch wood as opposed to the 1/2 inch that I needed. So I got to go back to the store, pick up some 1/2 inch wood, and we're going to start this project over. So, anyways, this is what happens when you learn. It cost me $23 for this wood, so we can make a couple of trays out of it. So maybe we'll just do a few trays. All right. No, we're gonna get some mallet done. Okay, so I'm back. I went and got some 1/2 inch cherry, 2 feet of it, and we're gonna cut it from there. I already got it set up here. I was gonna do some B-roll of the place. I went to Woodcraft, but forgot to. I was in a hurry, and it's like 14 degrees outside. So, anyways, so here we go. Let's start this whole process over again. Okay, thanks. And we're off and running. First it cuts the hole, so here we go again. Okay, so here's something else I learned. I bought this from the same place as last time, but for whatever reason, the thickness of the board is thicker, so it didn't cut all the way through like it did last time. So this time, let's check the caliper. Let's take calipers and check the thickness of it. So maybe I should just start this whole project over again. I don't know. So it just cut out the middle, so we're gonna get rid of those. So here you can kind of see, cut them out. So we'll take those out in just a minute. Let's get the other one put on and cut. Now, something that's really interesting to think about while you're doing this is you could put the board on the left side and the bottom right here. I know it's hard to see, but down in the corner, so the board goes back the same place every time. I haven't done that yet. That's something I need to do, which would make it a lot nicer and quicker to put it on there, so I wouldn't have to zero out the X and Y every single time. So yeah, so maybe that's a project I'll work on next time. All right, so we're all done here. I'm gonna take this apart. You can see this is all done here and it's cut through. So all we need to do is cut this out using this really cool spool. Do the same thing to this one. All right. Now we have all the pieces all cut out. What do? I have another neat tool here with a flush trim bit on it. You can also round out the edges. We're not going to for this one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take these. These are 5/16 dowel pins. So what we're going to do with those is we come in here and we're going to put 4 of them in the dowel. Now you can glue this up, which is normally what I'll do, but we're just going to put it together to show you how it works. Put this other one together with it. Make them all nice and even. So now we got that together. Then we'll take the 2 ends. Oh, I used the wrong file. Oh well. Dang it. Nah. See what I did? They're too small. I gotta cut them off different. I did one change. I know what I did wrong. We're gonna fix it. And it's loud. I fixed it. I made these. Here's what I did. So I can teach you all. The first one, what I did is when I cut it, I had the line. I cut on the inside of the line. So it cut inside the line of where I was supposed to cut. The second one, I cut on the outside line. So you can see the difference. So if I put these together, they'll be about 1/4 of an inch apart because that's for the line. But now, if we take these, put them together, you have an actual mallet. So if we put it all together, you have a mallet, and it's good. Now, you come back here, you can round out these edges if you want. You can round out the handle if you want. There is a hole down here. That you can use to put another what are they called? Dowel. So there's the hole down here. You put another dowel in there. There's a hole down there. You put the dowel in there, and then you sand them off, and you get yourself another mallet. There you go. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. So what have we learned here today? It's important to have a hobby when you're retired or going to retire. It's important to have a hobby when you're younger. So pick a hobby. If you don't have one already, go have some fun with it. Learn. Mess up. That's how you learn, right? You learn from your mistakes. As we can see today, we had a lot of mistakes because I kind of planned this last minute. Just want to have some fun to see what would happen. Forgot that I used the wrong file. So anyways, I guess I could redo it, but you're not going to learn anything. All right. Anyways, this is Adam from the Basement Economist. Adam out.